A nurse who was seen punching, slapping and kicking an elderly man battling dementia has fled the UK before police could arrest her. Lohan Mona Lisa Maria was struck off after an investigation by regulator the Nursing and Midwifery Council, NMC, following the disgusting attack at Birch Tree Manor Care Home in Port Sunlight, Wirral, Merseyside. Night manager, Mona Lisa Maria had been working on October 28, 2019, and was supposed to be caring for resident A, described as a vulnerable elderly resident with dementia, Liverpool Echo reports. A healthcare assistant, HCA, at the home, referred to as colleague B, watched Mona Lisa Maria launch her attack on the man. In a witness statement, she said, "I witnessed Lohan slap resident A on the side of his head on a number of occasions." Lohan slapped resident A on the side of head. Lohan Mona Lisa Maria was struck off after an investigation by regulator the Nursing and Midwifery Council, NMC, image, Liverpool Echo. She slapped him with one hand and then used her other hand, and she did this on at least 3 times. Resident A shouted, "Get off! F*** off," repeatedly and was angry. "I did not witness resident A hit Lohan." Another HCA, colleague C, who also witnessed the assaults, said she was disgusted by what she saw. She said, "To my absolute shock, Ms. Maria approached resident A from behind, and whilst she was standing behind resident A, she slapped both sides of his head a few times. I could not believe what I had witnessed. I felt absolutely disgusted, and words cannot describe how sad I felt for resident A." Resident A wobbled when Maria slapped him, and I was scared that resident A may fall. The pair also saw Mona Lisa Maria punch the man 3 times in the back. Colleague C added, "I vividly recall thinking she had used some force to punch him." Finally, the women recalled the nurse kicking resident A in his buttocks to force him to his room. The HCAs reported Mona Lisa Maria that night, and she was suspended with immediate effect. According to a written NMC ruling, there is currently an ongoing police investigation regarding the allegations of abuse. However, the police have confirmed that they have not been able to make contact with Ms. Mona Lisa Maria as she has left the country. A Merseyside police spokeswoman confirmed a suspect had been identified following allegations of assault and circulated as wanted, but that no arrests have been made. An independent disciplinary panel convened by the NMC found 3 charges against Mona Lisa Maria, relating to the slaps, punches and kicks, proven. However, the panel cleared her of leaving resident A in soiled clothing, and also of working at the home without professional indemnity insurance. The panel found that only a striking off order would suffice. It wrote, "The panel determined that abuse of any patient is inherently serious and found that the misconduct in this case reflected harmful deep-seated personality and attitudinal problems. It also found no evidence of insight or remorse, and a consequent risk of repetition. The conduct, as highlighted by the facts found proved, was a significant departure from the standards expected of a registered nurse." The panel determined that there was no evidence to suggest that Ms. Mona Lisa Maria would use a period of suspension to address the specific concerns raised of other conduct in this matter. The incident is the second time a staff member at Birch Tree Manor has been caught abusing a vulnerable patient, the Echo reported. In 2021, former carer Valentina Baguio received a suspended sentence at Wirral Magistrates Court for taunting and poking a helpless elderly woman with dementia between May and November 2019. Bondcare, which runs the home, claimed Birch Tree Manor was taken over by new management in October 2019 and new measures have been put in place to protect. A spokesman for Bondcare said, "We are saddened and disappointed that these incidents occurred in our home. Since October 2019 we have had a change in management in the home and installed monitoring devices to further safeguard the well-being of our residents and staff. The health and well-being of our residents is our #1 priority, and this episode is not a reflection on our outstanding and dedicated staff and home." Read more. Inside £10 million flat owned by UK's richest plumber who plans to buy Tom Jones pad. Read more. Nightmare neighbor smashes Ring doorbell camera with hammer as family living in fear.